I want to start by welcoming both of you. I have to say that this pairing is super interesting, but I want to ask you, what made each of you think, yaar, humne kafi aapas mein baat kar li hai, let's get some friends and let's make this a whole show on Prime Video. How did that happen?
So basically, like Mrinali said, she came to me with this idea that, I would love to we would love to take this and, put a female gaze on it, and there's, like, we see you doing this. And I was like, yeah, actually even I see myself doing it. and I think universally we all were like, oh God, the only person that we can see, who will be able to give us the sarcasm and the unfiltered things that we want to say but never do would be Twinkle. That's how it all came together. Of course, we've known each other for a while, but no, we've never collaborated on anything. So yeah, it was great fun. And the BTS is way more fun. I just want to tell you that.
Oh my God, okay. Twinkle.
And you said that we called our friends. Who says these are friends? They're not. I mean, we behave like insurance agents and telemarketers. We made cold calls. Whoever said yes, we got them on our show.
Oh my God.
That's how we're here.
That is Twinkle for you. This is amazing. Okay, fun question. You can respond as you feel like. How much is too much, ladies? We'll start with you, Twinkle.
Individually, we've always been too much, and together, I think we are.
I think you have
too much.
I think we leave it up to your imagination. I don't think I want to put a limit on it and say itna hi hoga. Isse definitely zyada hi hoga.
That is amazing. Okay, yeah, I think that's awesome. Okay, so you've already kind of responded to this, but I'm going to ask you again. How does one make the shortlist to your show? If they want to sit in front of you, they want to be questioned by you, and they have not you, but two. So how does that happen?
If we have their numbers on the phone or not.
I can't believe they're saying this again and again. Twinkle.
There were only two things they had to do. They had to be breathing, and they had to kind of be available. That's it. And we called them.
This is hilarious. We're going to play a fun game, and this is a time where our friends from the media are actually going to participate. I'm going to request the two of you actually stand on the other side of the screen. And this is for my friends from the media. Hi guys, over to you.
I tell them to leave their dignity behind and come up with their best lines.
Thank you for your absolute honesty. I love it. She's still laughing. How much laughter on that, show, because she comes up with things like this. We love you laughing. Okay.
Absolutely, and it's so much fun because yes, there is there's a lot of laughter and there's a lot of fun. But I think what's nice about it is also the fact that our guests have also spoken about their views and their viewpoints in the nicest possible way, in the nicest possible setting, with the coolest questions.
Nice.
Just to give us enough credit for it.
Of course.
But yeah, and I have to say kudos to all of them who've come, because they really have spoken so very well and from the heart and the mind, and not sometimes.
I think that what is really special about our show is while there's a lot of laughter, there's a lot of joy, there's also a sort of unraveling of layers, psychological layers and layers about society, viewpoints. And we try to go a little bit deeper than other chat shows, and I think that is our USP. We have fun, it's irreverent, but it's also not frivolous at all. It's got some gravitas.
Nice. Can't wait to actually watch the episodes. 25th September. But I must ask you, what is it like to have each other as co-hosts? Because, oh my God, like what a joy.
I've got one of them.
Oh, Mrinali, would you like to take that?
It's the most fun. I just want to tell you all that it is the most fun. I think, like I said before also, the BTS is like way more interesting. इतना काटना पड़ा. लेकिन इतना मजा आया था, और the kind of stuff that I think we automatically kind of say to each other and around each other is also really funny. It's really funny because when I look back on it, I was like, how the hell did we say this? This is really not politically correct. this is truly not politically correct, but so very, very funny. So yeah, it was great fun.
I tease her and I call her Behen on the show, but it's kind of true. We are not friends. We are like sisters. We bicker, we make fun of each other, but we trust each other. We both have each other's back, and I think that's very important to have on a show like this.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you for sharing. Mrinalini, you're going to tell us something more. I think the idea is so exciting, right? Take an idea like Too Much and turn it into something that looks fabulous and also is a wildly entertaining show. So tell us a little bit of, how that came together for you, because I've seen you at Bani J Asia. Just, give us some of the coolest concepts and formats. So talk to us about this one.
So like I said, Rohini, we were thinking, what to do next in non-fiction. There's so much that's happening. So then we decided we wanted to do a chat show. So we were like, okay, how is this chat